welcome back to the channel everyone, and we're on the filthy streets of Watton and we're here to look at Chewies, was it GSXR 900?
Yeah.
It's a 750 sleeved up to be a 900. Let's go and have a look. Got Chewies being, thinks he's a bit of Davey Bailey, look at him, check him out. That's the man. So Chewies, you built this, didn't you, Chewie?
Yeah.
From scratch? You want to come and tell everyone what you've done to it? Got some nice little details, like knuckle dusters. Let's go around this side before it starts raining again. So it's a 750 engine,
900.
but it's made up to 900 top end.
750 WN top end.
WN, yeah. He's done some nice little bits. So he's
got a Ninja back end.
a Ninja back end. What's that
Also,
off of? Oh, what, for ZX6?
Yeah, it's also off a Z1000.
Oh, right.
It's also got a Nitron rear shock off of Petrol.
Oh, yeah, you can see that, yeah.
But it's been like, the lugs have been adapted at some local engineers to get the to get it to fit in.
You got your Yoshimura.
It's got a hydraulic little pod filter there.
Oh, yeah.
A Yoshimura exhaust.
Yoshimura exhaust.
A little
What's that?
hairspray bottle used for
What is that?
coolant tank.
Oh, yeah, got that, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? A coolant tank? So, oh right, so you normally have the water, so
It's
you can
just for
see
excess.
in, and that's
Just for excess.
for your expansion tank, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you've put knuckle dusters.
It's a cam link.
Yeah, for the cam.
With the Streetfighter logo.
Yeah, with street. Oh yeah.
It's got a GS1000 belly panel.
Oh yeah, let's go and have a look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah, GS. Yeah, belly pan down the bottom.
I've heat wrapped the whole exhaust.
Yeah, can see that. Heat
they are
wrapped.
stainless, so they won't rot.
Yeah.
In wet weather. But I just wanted to have a bit more of a old school.
Here comes that fucking rain again.
It's got a Buell fly screen on it.
Yeah. Buell fly screen.
It's now gone from a cable clutch to a hydraulic clutch.
Yep.
And it's got I had to change the clutch lever to be able to get the pod filters for it.
Oh yeah.
It's got upgraded water coolant hoses.
Oh yeah, seen it.
But they're like wrapped to have the classic look.
Oh, what, these here?
Yeah. It's also got ram air pod filters.
What are they? Where are that? Oh, these were. Oh yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
So that's quite good.
And then you could change the dials as well, wouldn't you?
Yeah, just put Hoso.
Yeah.
Works off magnets on the discs.
Yeah, and then we've got these as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
As you see, it's starting to rain. Typical, it's really shitty Watton. So there you go everyone, that's Chewies' bike, and I'll see you in the next vlog. That's Jim Diesel, out. God, here we go. Fucking hell. Nah.
You need more power. Unfortunately. You can edit that bit out, can't you?
Yeah.